Mukanya Chiwenga swimming with his family, Albert Bandura's social learning theory, and John Bowlby's attachment theory make one thing unmistakably clear. A child who grows without a secure, emotionally present parent is deprived of the foundations of empathy, moral judgment, and human attachment. Children learn what they live, they imitate what they see. Where warmth, consistency, and accountability are absent, emotional emptiness takes root. Sarabna mashukubda panguva ino tichiona kuti Kirina Mujati oya chipraiza VP Constantino Chiwenga after they shared a video achiswipa his family ndorobo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tiendera mbira nyonyora chiti Emerson Mnangagwa represents the very failure these theories warn us about. An absent parent who substituted money for presents. He outsourced fatherhood while accumulating power, wives, and small houses. His children were not raised through guidance, discipline, or moral modeling, but through privilege and entitlement. When a father is missing, physically, emotionally, morally, child grows without conscience. This is why we now witness adults who plunder without shame, brutalize without remorse, and govern without humanity. Their childhood neglect, nurtured into national trauma. Contrast this with Mukanya Chiwenga, a man who understands that leadership begins in the home. Commitment to one woman, time with his family, and emotional presence reflect discipline, responsibility, and moral order. These are not private virtues. They translate direct into public leadership. A man who honors his family is more likely to honor his nation. Zimbabwe is not suffering by accident. We are living under leadership shaped by emotional neglect, moral vacuum, and unchecked entitlement. A father who never showed up for his children cannot suddenly show up for a nation of 16 million people. Quality time with our children is revolutionary. It builds empathy, restraint, and accountability. The tragedy of Zimbabwe is that power has been handed to a men who were never taught these values at home. Ndomashukwanobudanyoko panguva ino aiwa na Kirina Mujati achiuya achisapota VP Constantino Chiwenga netime yanospenda nefamily yake. Mina comment section medu dzofungura any more kudi pamusoro pe these developments. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.